welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am doing the unboxing and first impression of the Apple Watch Series 7. I'm so excited. I'm just really excited to open this up. I received this package today and I'm ready to open it up. So basically I bought this Apple Watch from Best Buy online, and so because it was basically sold out in all locations, but online they had some, so I'm just like, okay, I gotta get it, let's do it, let's see. I want to see how it is. I want to see the hype behind. I've never owned an Apple Watch, so I'm excited to just see how it is and so forth and whatever. So let's get right into it. Let's open up the box. So this is the box right here. Let me open it up. Okay, moment of truth. All right, let's open it up. All right. Some packaging, okay, some obviously so that it doesn't get damaged. Ooh, wow, this is pretty awesome. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is the box that it comes in. Let's move this box to the side. Wow, this is nice. So yeah, so this is the box that it comes in. It actually says it has the Apple logo and then it says watch, so Apple Watch basically. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so let's open it up. I'm so excited to see how it looks like. I don't even know if I'm gonna open it. Oh, okay, it's from the back. It's kind of weird to open. It's like it has areas in the back here, and then you have to like unhook it and then pull it out. Okay, so it's finally, whoa, this is cool. That is pretty cool. Okay. And I guess it has everything that, I think the Apple Watch will be in here. There's two boxes in here. I think the watch is in here. And then, okay, this is the band. Because I got the Starlight band. So, yeah. It's in that box. So there's two boxes here, basically. So I'm going to move this aside. And then it should open up. I know Apple does a lot of they definitely want to keep their products safe, so the way that they package it is definitely in a way where the watch will be safe if it's being transported, and a little bit harder to take out. Okay, wow, I see. So inside it looks like that, and the Apple Watch is there. The strap, the band is here, so it's like it comes separately. I'll show you guys what is inside the box. You know, they have their little manual. You know how these things are, it always comes with every Apple product. So it just kind of says like some quick starting points of how to use it. So it just says like step 1, step 2, and so on. And then they have it in French, in English and French, which is nice because especially here in Canada, we have two main languages, English and French. And some of you guys know and some of you guys might not know, but I do speak both fluently. Another thing that comes in here, I'm guessing this is the charger. It just looks like that, right? But I'm guessing that's the charger, should be. I will open that a little bit later to see what is inside. So that's what's in there. Oh, so automatically it kind of opens up and then it tells you to pair your iPhone. So that's really good because it's like, it's nice and quick. Anyway, let's put it together. So that's the Apple Watch itself without the band. So that's awesome. So let's put that to the side and let's open up the band. So the band looks like that. It's Starlight. The whole Apple Watch is Starlight. The Starlight color. Yeah, so let's open up the, Starlight Sport Band. That's what it is. Opening up an Apple product is so satisfying. It's like next level. How that looks like. Wow, super satisfying. Put that to the side. Ooh, okay. So when you open it up, it has like a whole bunch of writing of like the steps of how to put it on, how to remove it, which is really helpful because that's one thing I was concerned about. I wasn't sure if I would know how to open it up or put it on and take it off and all that kind of stuff. So that's good. Okay, wow. So this is the inside. Those are the bands right there. Like I said, it's in the Starlight color. Okay, so we're gonna try to put it together. We're gonna do it together because this is my first time. I've never owned an Apple Watch, so this is gonna be really fun to see how to do this. Okay, so the first thing they say is to attach band, slide in until you hear a click. Okay. So did they give you an extra or something? I see one. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Okay, so let's try and see. Oh, I see. Okay. So how do you know which side is the top and bottom? Adjust band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance. Okay. Alright. Let's try. We're down here. Yeah, it should be up here. And then this one down here. And then let's see. Nope. Trying to learn how to wear this is a little bit complicated. Okay. And it's just in there. Oh, I see. I finally have it on. It is absolutely beautiful. Perfect size. It's clear. It's gorgeous. I love it. And it's super comfortable. I definitely get the hype. It looks great on my wrist. I really like it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was just a quick unboxing and impressions. I really like it so far. It's a great watch. It's beautiful. It's light. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. So my first impressions, I'm really happy. The setup was a little bit harder to do, to put it together. It took some time and a little bit of reading, but it's not too hard. If you read it, you'll know how to put on the watch and so on. So I'm really impressed with it and I'm happy with it. I can't wait to play around with it a little bit more and then come back to you guys with a review of the Apple Watch Series 7. I'm super excited. I love it. I love the color. It's great. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, DBRIGHT Squad.